Welcome to our countdown of the most powerful tanks in the world for 2025. Tanks today are more than just armored boxes, they're rolling fortresses and digital powerhouses. We're ranking them not just by firepower but by armor, tech, and real-world performance. Only a select few get the recipe just right. Buckle up for a global tour of mechanical marvels, from the deserts of the Middle East to the plains of Europe and Asia. We've found the 10 most formidable fighting machines on the planet. Let's see which modern marvels dominate the battlefield this year. Number 10 is the legendary Abrams M1A2 SEPV-3, a tank that has become a symbol of American military might and engineering prowess. The Abrams has long been the Western heavyweight, dominating battlefields for decades, and the SEPV-3 is its most advanced form yet, representing the latest in a proud lineage of armored vehicles. Its new composite armor, laced with depleted uranium, makes it nearly impenetrable to most enemy rounds, offering unmatched protection for its crew, even in the harshest combat zones. The Trophy Active Protection System is a game-changer, shooting down incoming missiles before they hit, and giving the Abrams a crucial edge against modern anti-tank threats. Its 120mm smoothbore cannon is now smarter than ever, able to program shells for pinpoint strikes, and capable of engaging both armored and soft targets with deadly accuracy. The digital integration gives the crew a real-time, godlike view of the battlefield, with advanced sensors, networking, and targeting systems that make coordination and response faster than ever before. But the Abrams is thirsty. Its gas turbine engine guzzles fuel at a staggering rate, and its massive weight is a logistical challenge, making transport and resupply a constant concern for commanders. Still, it's a fusion of brute force and digital warfare, combining raw power with cutting-edge technology to stay relevant on the modern battlefield. The Abrams remains an icon, instantly recognizable and respected worldwide, but newer, leaner rivals are pushing it down the list as tank technology rapidly evolves. It's a fantastic machine, a testament to American engineering, but in 2025, the competition is fierce and the battlefield is changing fast. The Abrams is still a force to be reckoned with, capable of holding its own against almost any opponent it faces, but it's no longer the undisputed king. The world of main battle tanks is evolving, and it's time to see who's next in line to challenge the throne. Number 9 is the German Leopard 2A7 Plus, the Porsche of tanks. The 2A7 Plus is built for urban combat with modular armor that adapts to any threat. Its Rheinmetall L55 120mm gun delivers devastating accuracy and power. Despite its weight, the Leopard is fast and agile, thanks to a powerful diesel engine and top-tier suspension. It can fire on the move with precision, making it a deadly hunter. The Leopard 2A7 Plus is a product of relentless German refinement. It's not revolutionary, but it's a masterpiece of evolution. Any army would be lucky to have it. At number 8, the Russian T-14 Armata is a true revolution in modern armored warfare, representing a bold leap forward in tank design and battlefield technology. Its unmanned turret and isolated crew capsule set a new standard for survivability, keeping the crew protected, deep within the armored hull, away from direct hits and explosions. The 125mm cannon is remotely operated, fed by an advanced autoloader, and controlled via a suite of sophisticated sensors, allowing for rapid target acquisition and engagement, even in challenging conditions. The Afghan Active Protection System uses powerful radar and high-tech countermeasures to detect, track, and defeat incoming threats before they can strike, offering a new level of battlefield defense. The Armata is a fortress of electronic warfare and layered defense, equipped with reactive armor, jamming systems, and sensors that make it one of the most protected tanks ever built. But its complexity and high cost have limited production, with only a small number of units currently fielded and full-scale deployment still uncertain. Russia's ambition is clear, but the T-14's real-world impact remains unproven, as it is yet to see significant combat or widespread operational use. It's a glimpse into the future of armored warfare, showcasing what might be possible, but it hasn't fully arrived on the battlefield just yet. The T-14 is bold and innovative, but its defining moment has yet to arrive, and its ultimate effectiveness remains to be seen. For now, it stands as a technological marvel, waiting for its true test in the crucible of combat. The world is watching closely. Will it deliver on its promise? Only time will tell. Number 7 is the British Challenger 3, a classic reborn. The new turret houses a German Rheinmetall 120mm smoothbore gun, finally bringing the Challenger in line with NATO standards. Advanced thermal sights and a digital fire control system give it hunter-killer capability. Next-gen Dorchester armor and an Israeli active protection system make it one of the safest tanks for its crew. The Challenger 3 is a radical upgrade, not a new tank, but it transforms the old bulldog into a world-class contender. It's built to survive and win in the toughest conditions. The British Army's investment has paid off. The Challenger 3 is tougher, deadlier, and smarter than ever. It's a bulldog with new teeth, ready for the modern battlefield. Number 6 is South Korea's K2 Black Panther, a technological marvel. Its modular composite armor and explosive reactive blocks offer top-tier protection. The K2's active protection systems jam or shoot down incoming missiles. Its 120mm smoothbore gun, fed by an autoloader, can fire the unique KS-TAM top attack munition. The K2's hydro-pneumatic suspension lets it kneel or lean for tactical advantage. It can ford deep rivers with a snorkel kit, adding amphibious capability. The K2 is fast, flexible, and packed with innovation. It's a showcase of South Korean engineering, firepower, protection, and mobility. This tank has it all. The K2 is a clear signal. South Korea is a major player. It's one of the most advanced tanks in the world, and it's only getting better. The competition should take note. Number 5 is France's Leclerc XLR, a tank built for speed and smarts. Its autoloader delivers a blistering rate of fire with a 3-man crew. The XLR upgrade brings digital battlefield integration, linking the tank to drones, infantry, and command in real time. New modular armor and active protection boost survivability, especially against IEDs and missiles. The Leclerc is light, agile, and deployable by air or sea. Its 1,500 horsepower engine gives it sports car acceleration. The XLR is a unique blend of speed, firepower, and tech. France proves there's more than one way to build a world-class tank. The Leclerc XLR is a fast, networked, and deadly contender. Number 4 is China's Type 99A, a symbol of rapid military modernization. It's a third-generation tank, blending Russian and Western concepts with Chinese innovation. The 1,500 horsepower engine and advanced suspension give it speed and agility. Its 100mm smoothbore gun fires advanced rounds and guided missiles. Modular composite and explosive reactive armor provide strong protection. The rumored laser-based active protection system could blind enemy optics. Modern electronics and hunter-killer sights make it a digital powerhouse. The Type 99A is a world-class tank, developed at breakneck speed. China's armored ambitions are now a reality. Number 3 is Israel's Merkava Mk4 Barak, the ultimate defensive tank. Its front-mounted engine acts as extra armor, prioritizing crew survival. The rear compartment can carry infantry or evacuate wounded, making it uniquely versatile. The Barak features the latest trophy active protection and advanced AI for 360-degree awareness. The Iron Vision helmet lets the commander see through the tank's armor in real time. The Merkava's 120mm gun is potent, but its real strength is survivability and situational awareness. It's designed to win and survive urban warfare. Israeli ingenuity shines in every detail. The Merkava Mk4 Barak is a fortress on tracks. It's built for the harshest realities of modern combat, a true survivor. Number 2 is Turkey's Altay, a surprise powerhouse. Developed with South Korean help, the Altay is tailored for Turkish needs. Its 120mm smoothbore gun and advanced fire control system deliver NATO-level firepower. Modular composite armor and the Accor active protection system make it tough to crack. Turkey developed its own 1,500 horsepower engine, giving the Altay excellent mobility. The Altay is a symbol of Turkey's industrial rise and export ambitions. It's modern, capable, and ready for the world stage. The Altay is set to become the backbone of Turkey's armored forces, a world-class contender. Number 1 is the Russian T-90M Proryev, the undisputed king of 2025, a tank that's earned its reputation on real battlefields, not just in military parades. It's not the newest or flashiest, but it's the most effective where it counts, proven in harsh conditions and trusted by crews who rely on it for survival. The T-90M is a deep modernization of a proven platform, blending old reliability with new tech, including advanced sensors and improved crew comfort. Its upgraded 125mm gun, modern fire control, and hunter-killer capability make it lethal, able to engage targets quickly and accurately even on the move. Relict explosive reactive armor and defensive aids give it top-tier protection, shielding the crew from modern anti-tank threats and increasing survivability. The T-90M is tough, resilient, and available in large numbers, able to operate in the harshest environments from frozen tundra to muddy battlefields. It's significantly cheaper than Western rivals, allowing mass production and rapid deployment to the front lines. On the battlefield, numbers and reliability matter as much as tech. Quantity has a quality all its own, and the T-90M delivers both. The T-90M strikes the perfect balance of power, protection, and affordability, making it a favorite among armored units. It's a war winner, not just a showpiece, designed for real combat and proven in the heat of battle. In 2025, the T-90M ProRive is the tank to beat, setting the standard for modern armored warfare. It dominates through sheer effectiveness, overwhelming opponents with a combination of firepower, armor, and numbers. That's why it's number one, the ultimate bargain behemoth of the modern battlefield. And there you have it, the world's most powerful tanks for 2025. Each is a masterpiece of engineering, reflecting its nation's priorities and battlefield realities. The age of the tank is far from over. These machines remain decisive in modern warfare. Which tank deserves the top spot? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more military tech rankings. Until next time, stay safe.